Alright, YouTubers, D-Doc here again. Told you there'd be more to show out here on the undisclosed location farm in northeast Nebraska. And what we have here is a 1957 International S130 series tow truck. And I just talked to the future owner, the current owner, of course the landowner here. And the future owner is his grandson. And this is the grandson's truck. It's going to be his. And his plans are to turn this tow truck into a RatRod tow truck. Well, here's the owner right now, a young man named Cale. And this is, I was just telling my YouTube viewers that this is your truck, and you're getting ready to eventually turn it into a RatRod tow truck.
Yeah. The muffler's rusted out, but then I added something down there. It's like it's a tractor. Some tractor parts down there.
Ah.
So it's like a tractor truck.
Cool.
Tow truck.
Looks like it originally came from the Vivian Equipment Company Incorporated out of Cedar Rapids, Ames, and Sioux City.
I found this to keep the engine dry. The hood's actually back there.
Oh, yeah.
Way back there.
Way back there in the stick pile. Let's see if we can zoom in. That yellow splotch right there, that's the hood for it.
I call it Mater.
Mater?
Mater the tow truck.
Yeah, and this is...
a light, the same light Mater actually is.
Uh-huh.
Just popped out. I have the light. It's not inside. I don't know where it is, but it's somewhere.
An old straight six-cylinder.
Yeah, it doesn't run yet, but... I just found some scrap metals to keep it covered.
Yeah. Keep the rain off of it.
There's no plug. They found this. There's no plug. So they're like, does this fit? Does this fit? Some of them kind of were too little. They didn't fall in, but they didn't cover it up. So they found this. I did not take the screw out because it works good as a handle.
Yeah.
And when I came over here, the thing was down there and not covered up. And I didn't have the hood on it. It was just like down here.
Uh-huh.
Down here, and I was like, really?
Hey, that fits right there. Yeah. I used to own a 1965 International pickup truck.
This one used to have a longer boom, but Grandpa cut it short.
He shortened it up, huh?
Mm-hmm. Those are the scrap vehicles. This is from that truck. Then I have a tail light over there from that truck.
Oh.
Well, one I found in there. Was just
From which one? The blue one or the gray one?
Blue one. I grabbed tools, because I'm going to go strip some parts off, like that one inner blinker that's left, and just put it right here. And I never really had a tail light on it, so I found the spot where it was mounted.
Uh-huh.
But the little bolts that put up to it, like for it to face that way, the bolts have to be like this, but originally it was like this.
Oh.
Like facing that way.
Uh-huh. Well, this is a very cool old truck.
I found a commercial truck. I found an old license plate for it too.
Yeah.
Seats are gone out of it. Grandpa has them somewhere. Windows blown out. Me and my dad did this. Covered it up with duct tape. Windows might work. Nope. They don't. They're seeds.
Well, just have to soak it sometime in some PB Blaster or lubricating oil.
I found a commercial truck license plate for it.
Yeah.
These are the original ones.
Oh, those are the originals.
Originals. So
Or the last time that it was registered and running.
Yeah, last time. So it got us someone of Grandpa's friend just did that to both of them. So I think this is off of one of those trucks.
Yeah.
Or found it just in that. I don't know where I found it. So every time it falls out, I just put it in a different spot.
Ah, there you go.
Like sometimes it just, one time I found the spot where license plate used to sit because there's 2 holes in the grills.
Oh.
Found it. It's right here.
Yeah.
The holes still do line up on this license plate.
Good.
It goes right there.
Good.
I have a YouTube channel too.
You do?
It's just about me doing random stuff.
Uh-huh.
It's just my name, like Cale B. That's it.
Okay.
I have a whole engine in the back.
For winter weight.
Yeah, for winter weight. Oh, I see the original tail light.
Which
It's
way?
busted. It used to sit right here.
Ah. It got bent a little bit.
Yeah, it's bent back.
Yeah.
Cords are hanging out of it. The glass is shattered. The light's shattered too. Then I found that. That must have been the reverse light.
Well, that looks like the one in front. It's loose, so.
I record on my iPad. I don't
you
have
could-
one of those fancy cameras.
You could mount this one up front on the other side.
Yeah. Oh,
Let's see.
there's another light. This truck has tons of
Yeah.
lights in there.
Oh, that one's the same as this light.
Yeah, they're often.
Yeah.
I don't know where the one from the junk pile came from, but one of these is off that truck. It's all banged up. It's all banged up from the fence.
Well, that's just called character.
Yeah. It has a lot of character.
A lot of old trucks got little dings and dents. That makes them look special.
This one was a work truck. It got beaten. It got
Yes.
beaten up. It kind of looks like it's mad because it's a little lower. The middle grill, the grill is all bent up, so it's like.
He's a little bit angry. Ah, get out of my way. I'm busy.
Yeah.
I got a truck or a car to go tow.
This is actually dinged out.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Grandpa did this. He covered up it.
Ah.
My dad thought it was somebody else, but it's actually Grandpa.
Yeah. Yeah.
Original mirror spot got bent.
Yeah. Well, it'll take a little bit of work, but I bet you'll make it look really pretty. Yeah.
It'll probably be first a RatRod, then a really nice tow truck. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this truck yet.
And then you'll drive it around in parades
Yeah.
and throw candy out for the kids.
Somebody's got to sit on the back because once you get all that cleaned up, there's a lot of space to put stuff there.
Well, you'll just have to tow another vehicle behind it. You know, take that to the parade. Yeah.
So I can't tow vehicles.
Yeah. You'll have to hook one up and take them down through the parade.
Grandpa used to have 2 Hudsons sitting right there. When I was a little bit littler, I always was in love with this truck. But I always thought I was gonna hook her up to it and just pull it around.
Oh, yeah.
Pull it to like Grandpa's shop or something and fix it up.
Yeah.
He sold both of them to some guy. There
Yeah.
used to be a car down there that was like there was like a shooting car, like it was all exploded. No paint on it, and it was all rusted.
Well, I'm going to wrap this video up. I want to thank my viewers for watching and commenting. I think Cale's got himself a nice work project here, and I wish him all the luck in fixing this up to our RatRod tow truck.